कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
That the government is aware that Mundkarial Act provided better protection to the Munkars in respect to eviction from the dwelling houses and granting them right to purchase the same. If so, the present status of the Mundkarial cases.
Speaker sir, there is been clear direction to the revenue from the revenue department to all the mamladars. As far as the limit adjustments to 3 per case scheduled hearing for every 10 days. Designate special mamladars to exclusively handle Mundkarial cases. Conduct hearing on Saturdays for fast disposal. Prioritize cases pending for over 3 years to day-to-day hearing. Now, since there is no sunset clause, there are around 2,500 some odd cases were there. Out of 2,500 cases, I'm talking from 2022 till date. From 2022, there were 2,500 odd cases. We have disposed of 2,300 cases. Then again, there were additional 1,800 odd cases. Which are going on. Since there is no sunset clause, because cases keep on coming.
1971 जो कायदो जालो तो कायदो सुधारित करून सगळ्या मुंडकरांक एकदम असो एक हक्क दिवपाक त्यांच्या घराचो तांकां रायट दिवपाक किंवा नवे घर बांधपाक लागून जो तांकां रायट दिवपाक जाय ते जागेचो रायट दिवपाक जाय अशा तरेचो एक कायदो हाडप हे स्पीकर सर आज गरजेचे आहा।